My name is Mary Walker and I come from Bulawayo in Zimbabwe. I was suffering from very sore knees, so I went to my own local doctor in Bulawayo, who recommended that I go and see the Wockhardt Hospital representative in Bulawayo, and he was able to make all the arrangements for us to come here. Well, my first experience was the traffic in Mumbai, which was something that I'd never seen before. But once I got to the hospital, everything was so calm and efficient. I was taken straight up to my room and they started doing tests on me immediately. I had very sore knees. Every time I put my foot down on the ground, it hurt me, but now I can walk without any pain at all. The difference is that I can now walk upright without any pain at all. The services at this hospital are wonderful. I've never experienced anything like in my life before. The doctors are so efficient, the nurses are pleasant and kind, the physiotherapists make you work hard, but they get you better. So my grateful thanks for everybody that I came in contact with in this hospital, from the cleaning staff to the surgeons. Everybody was very kind and pleasant and helped me as much as they possibly could.